Alright guys, this is kind of a special video. As you guys know, I've been losing weight. I think I'm down like 36 pounds by using Profile by Sanford. They've been coaching me. They've been ensuring that I stay under 1,000 calories a day, that I'm low carb, no sugar, all that good stuff. They've been my personal coach and they've been great to me. So what I want to do is they hand me these cards every time I go in, and they're recipe cards. And I thought, you know what? Are these things any good? So I have no idea. It's a tropical muffin. Tropical muffin right there. So I'm going to show you up close what products we're using. If you want to use if I'm using Profile pancake mix, you can use your own pancake mix. If I'm using a Profile protein shake, you can use your own powdered protein shake. All right. So anyway, we're going to make these muffins, and so this is kind of like a Profile video, okay? We're going to share this with all the other members of Profile. There are groups like 37,000 people on Facebook all over the country. So come on in close, and I'll show you what we're making. All right, so this is the recipe card we're going to experiment with today. And this is called Tropical Profile by Sanford Tropical Muffins. Okay, and Tammy got me all the ingredients, but she wanted to do a double batch. So we're probably going to have to use twice of everything. We're going to need 2 pancake mixes, 2 pina coladas. We'll need more eggs because I didn't get enough eggs, so I got to go get some more. We'll use some coconut. We'll use some baking powder. And then we're using pineapple extract. It's all going to be very interesting. We're going to mix this all up. These are about 1 ounce each of protein powder, pina colada flavor. They use monk fruit as their sweetener in all their products. And this is about a little over 1 ounce. It's like 1.3 ounces of pancake mix, and it's the low carb Profile pancake mix. So they're like, hey, you want to make something good? Make some tropical muffins. I guess somebody came out with this recipe. So we're going to test it out and let other Profile members know if it's worth doing. So here's the recipe card. It's probably at your local office. So if you go in for your meeting, grab one of these. All right. If not, you can go on their website and get it. So let's get this recipe started. Okay. First thing you want to do, always preheat your oven when you're baking. Preheat it to 350 degrees. Add your paper muffin liners into the tray. We'll show you that in a minute. Right now, though, we have the easy job of just mixing everything. That's it. So you put all the ingredients in. We're doing a double batch, so don't follow. I'll have the recipe down below, but don't follow my video recipe because I'm doing a double batch of what you're watching, okay? So you'll see 4 eggs. We only need 2 in this single recipe. Anyway, let's get started. So let's start with the eggs. Put them in there. All right. Whoops, just spilled that. That was beautiful. All right, we got some pineapple extract. Drop that in. Here we go. Baking powder. Drop that in. Here's the protein mix. Drop that in. Hey, the oven's ready. All right, we got the pancake mix. Drop that in. We've got our shredded coconut. You're going to put that in. And then we're going to put in the amounts of water it tells us to. So we'll put that in. It's all in one bowl. Super easy. All right. Grab your bowl, grab your whisk, and just slowly incorporate everything together. And hopefully you'll have a batter that'll be perfect for filling the muffin tins. Okay, we got our liner going, and you can see this is what it looks like. Kind of like a batter, a muffin batter. So we're gonna fill our liners, what, 3/4 of the way? Is that what we do?
About a third.
About a third?
Yeah, roughly.
All right, do about a third to a half. Don't do completely. Pour them in all the areas. All right, guys. So here we go. One, coconut. Stick on top. And there are your Profile by Sanford tropical muffins. There we go. Perfect. There it is. Got these beautiful muffins. They're so light. They're like just a little bit of sweetness. If you want to add some monk fruit, maybe. I don't think you will need to. There's already monk fruit in their recipes for the pancake and the protein drink. But let's give this a try. Got a little sprinkle of coconut on top. Got a little whipped cream on top. So let's give it a try. Wow. Wow. You better like coconut, I'm telling you. No, there's a lot of coconut in this. This is very tropical. Anyway. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you very much. This is awesome.